Hello everybody, we're working on a 2018 Mazda CX5. We're programming new keys into the system. As you can see, our scanner is hooked up into the OBD down here. It's a keyless system. We're going to go to learn keys, all smart keys lost. On Mazda, when you have all smart keys lost, you must have 2 keys in order for the programming to go through. So that means the old keys will be erased. Current number of keys is 2. We're erasing them, and we have to add 2 keys in order for the programming to go correctly, or else the car will not start. So we have to get all the keys away from the vehicle, lay them down here, and we have to hold this button down until it'll turn yellow, and then release, or orange. There we go. So we got the computer to turn the car on, even though we don't have any keys. All right, now we have to wait for 7 minutes for the computer to configure the erasing and allow us to cycle in the new keys. So when the 7 minutes is up, we'll resume with the completion of the programming. Thanks for watching. Okay guys, so as you can see, the 7-minute procedure is done. So right now we're going to try to test the keys, and they work. Oh, the battery in this one's dead. Okay. There we go. The battery in this one's good. And the car starts. So we're just going to put a brand new battery in this remote. And we're all done. 2018 Mazda CX5. Thanks for watching.